Hey everyone, Fado here. As a human resources practitioner with international organizations for almost 15 years, it has always struck me that a very small percentage of females negotiate the salary or the package being offered. If I were to put a number or a percentage on it, I would say around 80% of the females did not negotiate the salary. Compare this to the male candidates and the negotiations become really common. So it compelled me to look into what could be the reasons behind this. Here are some of the findings based on the research that has been done in this area. Obviously, there are major behavioral differences between men and women which contribute to the gender gap in salary negotiation. But one of the major reasons women may avoid negotiating for higher salaries is fear of social backlash for being perceived as too assertive. A famous study in 2010 explains that women often face dilemma when negotiating. Asserting themselves too much can trigger negative stereotypes, while being too passive might result in lower compensation. Another aspect is that if in job postings salary negotiations is not explicitly stated, men tend to negotiate more often than women. However, when it's clearly stated that salaries are negotiable, the differences disappear. This highlights that transparency in the negotiation process is an important factor and plays a crucial role in reducing gender gap. These were the findings of a large-scale field experiment in 2015 carried out amongst 2,500 job seekers. This also confirms my own observation that females tend to strictly follow the eligibility criteria for a job posting, and they themselves self-eliminate compared to their male counterparts. But it's another topic altogether. Women are also less likely to negotiate if they have limited experience in doing so. Therefore, developing negotiation skills, as well as equally important to prepare well and having access to salary information, can significantly improve the outcomes. Here is an interesting article from Science for Work that sheds a more detailed look into this. Having had a look into the various aspects and given the inherent differences between men and women, a more effective approach in addressing gender differences in negotiations is for the organizations to put in place policies that promote transparency. Focusing on structural changes such as pay transparency and banning salary history requests are found to be much more effective than attempting to change individual negotiation behaviors. I know, as a candidate or a job seeker, the only thing under one's control is our own negotiation behavior. Hope you got some value and insights when it comes to negotiations for your next job offer. And even if you decide to negotiate, what's the worst that could happen? A mere no to your request?